Have you ever felt like you knew what someone was going to say before they said it? Or maybe you've sensed someone thinking about you, and they suddenly call. What if I told you that as telepathy in action? Today, I will show you how to unlock your telepathic abilities. Right here, right now. Telepathy is the ability to send and receive thoughts without words or actions. While science hasn't fully proven it, the idea has fascinated humans for centuries. Could it be possible that our minds are more powerful than we think? Before we can activate telepathy, we need to quiet the noise in our minds. This step is crucial. Let us take a moment to relax and tune into our inner thoughts. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Imagine your thoughts are like ripples in a pond. Watch them fade away, leaving your mind calm and clear. Now let us try a simple telepathic experiment. Find a partner, or if you're watching solo, focus on connecting with me. Decide who will be the sender and who will be the receiver. Senders, close your eyes and think of a simple shape, like a circle, triangle, or square. Imagine it glowing brightly in your mind and traveling toward the receiver. Receivers, keep your mind open. Don't overthink it. What's the first shape that comes to mind? Okay, did you match? Let us know in the comments. Now, I am going to send a thought to you. Yes, you watching this video. Focus on your screen and keep your mind open. I am thinking of a shape. Picture it in your mind. It was a triangle. Did you get it? Write your results below. Even if you didn't guess correctly, don't worry. This is just for fun. But why does telepathy feel so real sometimes? Science tells us that emotional connections play a big role. Close friends, family members, and even twins often report sharing unspoken thoughts. Psychologists say it could be intuition, while others believe it as brainwaves syncing up. The truth, we don't fully know yet. So, did you feel a spark of telepathy today? Whether it worked for you or not, remember, this is all about exploring the untapped potential of our minds. If you want to dive deeper into telepathic techniques or hear real-life stories, hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to share your results in the comments. Did you connect with me or your partner? Thanks for joining this mind-blowing journey. Until next time, keep your thoughts open and your minds connected.